Hello. As I promised, I am going to make one more video on the probability distribution of random variable. This one is very important one. From a lot of 10 items, so total number of items is given 10, which contains 3 defective items. So first is 3 defective items. So how many non-defective? The 7th item is non-defective, right? So a sample of 4 items is drawn at random. So how many items I am drawing? That is 4 items. So let the sample variable A, random variable X denote the number of defective items in the sample. So number in the sample, if the item is selected at random one by one without replacement, we have to find out probability distribution, mean and variance. What can be the value of X? If X denotes the defective item. Defective item can lie from 0, 1, 2, 3. I am drawing 4 items, but maximum number of defective item is there 3. So maximum number of defective item can be more than 3 for this probability distribution, but we are drawing 4 items, right? So first case, if I just write this xi and pi, so xi is number of defective items. Please be very careful, maximum times you get confused. So defective items can be 0, 1, 2, 3. First case, probability of 0 defective item. So how many ways, first how many ways I can select these 4 items from these 10 items, that is 10C4, right? First case, that I am selecting 0 defective item. 0 defective item means my all items should come from this non-defective item. So probability will be 7C4. All these 4 items should come from the 7 non-defective item. Divide by 10C4. If I will calculate this, I am going to get 1 divided by 6. Now, second case, that 1 defective item. So 1 defective item is coming from 3 defective item, and remaining 3 items is coming from 7 items. So probability of this will be this divided by 10C4, which is equals to 1 divided by 2. Next case, 2 defective item. 2 defective item is coming from 3 items and 2 non-defective items. So probability of this divided by 10C4, and if I will calculate this, I will get 3 divided by 10. And the last one, that is 3 defective item. So all 3 defective items I am taking here, and 1 non-defective item only I will take here. So probability will be 1 divided by 30. Just to check my calculation is correct or not. 1 by 6 plus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 10 plus 1 by 30. LCM is 30. So it is 5, it is 15. This will be 9 and this will be 1. So 20, 30 by 30, answer is 1. Sum of the probability is equals to 1. So my calculation is right. Fine. Next, if I proceed for PIXI, what will be PIXI? This one will be 0, this one half, this one will be PIXI only. So 6 divided by 10, this will be 3 divided by 30. Just check, I have kept all the calculation as it is. Next one is PIXI square. PIXI square. So what is going to happen for PIXI square? So this will be 0 PIXI square half PIXI square. So it will be 12 divided by 10 PIXI square. So it will be 9 divided by 30. Now I am going to add these two. If I will add these two, what I will get? Just check. I have already calculated this. I have checked my answer is correct. So I can just rub this part. So summation PIXI, that will be equals to 12 divided by 10 after calculation. Just calculate it properly. And summation PIXI square will be equals to 2. And what is summation PI? If I will ask you summation of PI, that sum of all the probability, that is equals to 1, you know that. So now mean will be equals to summation PIXI divided by summation PI, which is equals to 12 by 10 by 1, which is equals to 6 by 5. That is the calculation for mean. And if I will ask for the variance of X, that will be equals to summation PIXI square minus 6 by 5 का whole square. So 2 minus 36 by 25. So it will be 14 divided by 25. Further, if you need standard deviation of x, I'm just calculating that will be only variance of this, so that will be root 14 divided by 5. So that's it. I hope you understood the random variable mean and variance. But still, if you have any problem in any sum, please type in the comment box. I'm going to solve it for you. Thank you.